In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and yes, as part of this Halloween series, I'm doing all of these creepy tutorials, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely change your voice. So when you're capturing your audio, naturally you're going to be up around here, but you want to pull it all the way down there when you're shooting audio. What does that mean? Basically, you want to talk in a deeper, creepier voice to begin with. If you start with a creepier sounding voice, then it's going to be much easier to manipulate in the edit. So once you've captured this weird variation of your voice, you want to drop this into Adobe Premiere Pro. So once you've loaded up Adobe Premiere Pro and you have your audio file imported, you want to go ahead and select the part of the audio that you're going to be changing. Now I'm going to transition into the creepy voice, so I'm going to start off sounding normal and I'm going to finish off with the creepy effect applied. So I'm just going to cut the middle of this audio effect, and I'll do the effect on the last half of the audio file. Now we'll go into the effects and we're going to search for bass. Throw bass onto the audio file and we're going to increase this to 6 decibels. Then we're going to copy this and put this onto the first half of the effect because we want to increase the bass throughout all of this. Now to progress from here, we're going to go into the audio effects tab and we're going to scroll all the way down to pitch shifter. Drop pitch shifter onto the second half of the audio, and we'll go into the edit tab, and in here we're presented by 2 sliders. We've got one for semitones and one for cents. So we're just going to pull the semitones to the left, and if we play that back, that sounds really creepy already. We'll do the same thing for the cents. Now this is your place to experiment. Each different effect and each different audio clip will require a different number here.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely change your voice.
And now from here, in the effects tab, I'm going to go into audio transitions. I'm going to drop the constant power transition on the cut between these 2 audio files. This means that we get a transition into that horror voice. But if you didn't want to do a transition, then all you would need to do is delete that crossfade, delete the constant power effect, delete the first part of the audio, and just extend the second half back up to the beginning. Now if we play this back, you've got that creepy effect playing throughout the entire duration of the audio.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to complete.
Now from here, I just want to create a little bit of distortion, so I'm just going to decrease the speed of this effect a little bit. So I'm going to double click, go up to speed duration, and I'm going to change this from 4 seconds to 5 seconds. And if we play that back, that's a little bit too much for my liking, so I'm going to go back into speed/duration, and we'll change the speed to 95%. There we go, that is a lot better.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely change it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely change.
Now that sounds awesome, but I do want to add a little bit of reverb to this effect, so I'm going to copy that audio file, we'll paste it onto the track underneath. I want to offset it a little bit, so I'm just going to move the whole audio over to the right, and I'm just going to pull the volume of this down a little bit, so I'm going to pull this line down to a place where I feel works.
In today's video, I'm going to show you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely change your voice. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to.
Now from here, you want to experiment with your pitch shifter, you want to experiment with your echo and your volume of the echo, and get this audio effect to a point where you feel happy.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely change your voice.
And that's it. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow for more really creepy
Halloween tutorials.
See you there.